going to do a bit of unboxing of my replacement Hubsan X4 H107D Plus with the FPV. My first one, after buying it in April, two of the motors packed in, so thankfully I bought it from Maplin's electrical store, and they give you a 12 months warranty, so I just took it in and they replaced it. So this is what they replaced it with. This is the new version compared to the version I had. This has been slightly updated, so let's unbox it. So we get packaging and the instruction guide. No different to what I already had. And we've got two parts of the packaging. Just move that out of the way slightly. So we've got, with this version, you get prop guards. The previous one that I had didn't come with prop guards, so that's a bonus. We also get a set of props fitted and a spare set of props with a little tool for taking them off. Controller. There's our new controller. So let's stick some batteries in this. This, they're quite heavy on batteries, so I've got a set of rechargeables rather than keep buying AA batteries. So yeah, it's advisable to get some rechargeables, or have a look on YouTube for a LiPo mod. There's quite a few knocking about, so you can do a LiPo mod, convert it to LiPo batteries, which makes it last a hell of a lot longer. Just check it out. So switch on, system initialize, bind to plane. So batteries are fine. So let's open up the packaging with the mini quad. So here we have our mini quad, brand new. Here it is, with little 720p camera, battery, sort of like DJI Phantom style battery, which slots in. Not keen on that, that looks a bit off there. I have got a couple of spare batteries that I ordered off Amazon. Here's the charging cable. Charging cable, just a nano USB. Plugs straight into the side of the quad, into your USB charging. I bought a separate charger which will charge two batteries at the same time. Otherwise you're charging one battery. If you've got multiple batteries, doing it this way, you'd have to charge them one at a time, and they can take up to like 80 minutes per battery to charge. So let's fit the prop guard. doesn't want to come off. Thought they just pulled off. Seem to be very tight those. I don't want to put too much pressure on it, so we'll forget the prop guard for now. But let's try binding to the quad. Switch on. Bind to plane. Right, with no battery charge on that one, that's a flat battery. So I'll get my spurs and be back in a second. Right, so back, here are the spurs. So this is what I ordered off Amazon. I ordered two, they come in pairs, so I ordered two spur batteries. And also this little charging dock from Hobby Tiger. Pretty handy, so you can charge two batteries at the same time. You could also charge your third battery from the quad itself. But yeah, this charges in pretty quick time, which is quite handy, reasonably priced. I think the batteries, the spur batteries from Amazon, they were £8 GBP for two, whereas if you order one from Maplins, they'll order it from Hubsan, but you'll pay at least £15 for one. So yeah, it's better. I found it much easier to, much cheaper, should I say, to get them off Amazon. So let's try one of these batteries. That seems a little bit loose, but we'll see what happens now, see if we can get power to it. Right. So it's binding. Okay. So as you can see, we now have visual on there. TV screen, box, there you go. So the camera's working fine, reasonably clear image. Now you've got two buttons on the controller itself, one with the sticks. You've also got the one on the right here. You press that, that would start recording once you've got the memory card. The memory card actually slots in here, so it takes a micro SD card. Put that in there. You record direct to the card. During flight, hit your button, that starts it recording. Hit it again, stops the recording. On the left hand side you've got another button. This one changes it from video mode into stills, so we'll hit that, into photo mode. Notice how when you go into photo mode you get full screen. So if you're not bothered about videoing the FPV flight, you're just going to use it for FPV feedback and just watching where you're flying, you're better off switch it to photo mode. You get full screen. You've got expert mode and normal mode. The expert mode makes it more responsive, turns all the sensitivities up to 100%. I think in normal mode it's actually 50%, so it's a bit more forgiving. You know you're in normal mode when it's all green, when you see the little Hubsan logo at the bottom, when that's green. Expert mode, it turns to red. So yeah, I think that's about it really. Right. So there's our quad. Now this came in the box, which is these are the prop guards. This prop guard set doesn't actually fit the Hubsan X4 H107D. These won't fit, so I don't know why this was in the box, but these won't fit this quad. No matter which way you do it, they don't fit, because it's actually, when you look at it, this is made for a different quad. So why they've supplied this with this particular mini quad, I don't know. But that is absolutely useless. So if you've got one, if you've recently bought one of these and you've got that in the box and you've found a way of making it fit, stick it in the comments below, because I'd love to know, because that does not fit this quad. So I bought as well, I've got a set of Fatshark. These are the Dominator V3s. So let's just check that we can get an image from the quad. So as always, attach your antenna before you power your Fatshark goggles up, because it can actually, if you've got one of these with the card attached, you can actually burn the card out. So let's just stick the battery on, see if we can get a connection, a feedback from the Hubsan. So let's switch on the controller, bind to plane, let's bind it, binding. Okay, so we've got image. There's our image. Photo mode, full screen. Video mode, back to letterbox style, 16:9. Now let's plug in power to the Fatshark goggles. So we can get an image back. There we go. I don't know if you can pick that up on the GoPro, but we have actually got feed from the FPV, so you can fly the Hubsan X4 H107D Plus in FPV mode from your Fatshark Dominator V3s, which is a great thing for FPV flight around the house and outdoors. So that works fine. Let's disconnect that. So yeah, all there is now is to give it a test flight.